Sup guys, this is I mean my brother's account said this is mom, but he take away bro. So this is my So guys, I just wanna tell that I got scammed. Somebody tell me that he's a YouTuber and he's going to Nubini Kikinini to infinity. His name is MTYT. It's caps lock E, not caps lock M, and not caps lock P, and it's, yeah, wait, I forgot, wait, let me check again. Oh, where's my YouTube? So guys, there's this, what the freak? What the freak? So this is the game name, guys. No, not that. So like this. And this. And caps lock, Y and T. He said this. This is his Roblox. His name is this also. He said he have 10k follower. I mean 10k subscribers. I was searching and searching, and there's nothing, bro. He just leave for nothing. I later gave him my best bro. Bro, I'm just sad. I just want to cry, bro. Sorry guys, my voice is little, 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 little. I don't know, forgot. So guys, this is the end of the video. So, oh wait. By the way, guys, I got this. I wanted the games. And I don't know why I can't trade it, but I want guys, can you all give me infinity, please? I never. Wait, let me translate the things I've said. Guys, follow me. Let's go. By the way, guys, I'm not undercover right now, so they will know me like 100 million%. Yo, this is the best day I've been. Yo, in a bit, in a bit, in a bit, in a bit, in a bit. Yo, yo. Bukas. Boy, I do. Well, I only have this. Yeah, you know what? Why did I say he only do? What the fuck? So guys, let me translate that I am saying to my English viewers. So, mga Pilipino, sinasabi ko kasi, na-scam ako sa dito na MTYT na username dito sa Roblox. Dito sa Skipso na may Roblox. Okay. Di ko mahatag ang shield ko. Di ko mahatag ang shield ko, boy. Putik. Mag-Pilipino lang ako kasi of course 95% are Filipinos that are watching me, so yeah, I'm just gonna talk or Bisaya or Tagalog. I don't know what I'm speaking right now. English. My Bisaya words are mixing up because I am turning like American. So, tangit. I curse that. Bro, editor, please do not make a meme of that tomorrow. If you make a meme like that, yeah, I'm gonna kill you. It's a joke, bro. Filipino. I know for sure. I never be. Okay. Naskam ba ya? Naskam ako. Kasi may nagsabi ng hindi sila. Kasi may bro, just make sure. Oh, sorry guys. I'm doing a giveaway because I don't want to play Roblox anymore. So you guys will not see me again in Roblox. So I will give you Roblox or anything there. Babalik ko na. See you na yan. No problem, boy. Yeah, bro. My tita or my mom and I don't know who's my dad. So my lola and my tita and my mama is like things missing. Guys. Ay, tangin. Ay, mag-Bisaya pa na ako no. So, Tagalog naman. So, guys, this is the end of my video. If you guys want to give me something in this game, just comment down in one of my videos. I will check all day. Yeah, and I will translate it Filipino. So guys, gusto nyo maghatag ng bingot, magsabi ka lang sa comment section ko, tapos iyan nyo ako, tapos pangalan ko Monkey Walk. Siguro. So, bye guys. This is a video. Bye. Goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Goodbye. Where am I flying?